A new study out of Yale University could have huge implications in the battle against mental illness. Researchers say individuals have unique brain prints, similar to the unique fingerprints everybody has. And they say their findings could possibly help find a way to predict mental illness one day and then maybe even prevent it. We're going to get more from NBC News medical contributor Dr. Natalie Azar. Doctor, great seeing you.
Hi, good morning, Jose.
Good morning. What exactly is a brain print?
So first of all, let's just say the difference between a regular MRI, which takes a picture of your brain, it shows the structure, it's a pretty static image. The difference here is something called a functional MRI, which is actually measuring differences in brain activity due to blood flow. And why is this important? Because what they were doing in these individuals was measuring connectivity, that is the communication between two regions of your brain, and they found that that was highly correlated with an individual print. So almost like a fingerprint can uniquely identify a person. They are suggesting that this brain print is intrinsic to individuals, that it's there, and that in fact is a static thing, that you can identify people based on this pattern of connectivity in their brains. It's really quite interesting.
It's fascinating,
yeah.
And for me to understand it a little better, I presume that everyone's brain works differently, right? Because
right, and so, yes, and the idea here is then sort of like the exciting news or the translational aspect of this, like how do we turn this then into, right, diagnosing and possibly intervening in terms of illness, is that we know, for example, they've studied functional MRI in groups of people before to understand the differences perhaps in depression and autism, to sort of say, is there a neurological or neurobiological basis for disease? And we do in fact know that that can be the case. But what's different about this is that they were looking at individuals. They weren't just collapsing data from large groups of people. And the hope here is that if they can see a particular pattern in an individual and say, you know what, this looks like a pattern that we see in people with depression, how can we intervene and make a difference? And I will tell you, though, that the research stopped very short of saying that they have the next step in that chain of what they could actually do to make a difference.
What would intervening mean?
That exactly, and that honestly, I couldn't even begin to tell you what that's going to mean, what that could mean hypothetically. But let's say that we know that a lot of these diseases respond very well to early intervention. If there was a way to perhaps change the neural connectivity, it sounds a little bit sci-fi. Again, the researchers didn't really go that extra step and let us know what they could possibly do with this information. But nonetheless, in terms of the frontier of the brain and how much we don't know, this is one step further to sort of elucidating these miraculous connections that we have.
Fascinating. Dr. Azar, thank you for bringing it to us this morning. Really appreciate it.
Of course.